Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is another holiday gift guide. This one is my favorite beauty tools. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the tools. I'm going to start with the most recent tool that I have added to my anti-aging regimen. The majority of the tools I have done multiple videos on, so you can always find them in the playlist, and I will list some of them in the description box as well. There is a new tool, a new anti-aging tool that I've been using for about 6 weeks. Very excited. And so we are going to start with this one because I want to show you. I have yet to do a video on this and love it because it's completely different and it just adds that extra anti-aging that we need with our skin. As always, I also want to say that I have never had Botox. I'm not against it. I'm just letting you know, because sometimes when I really use the microcurrent device, you guys go, I'm like, no, look, see, I can make the little. No, I've never ever had Botox. I have never had any laser treatments, any fracking, anything like that. The only thing I've ever had is I've had one chemical peel in my entire life, and that was about 20 years ago, and I had filler injected into my nasolabial folds about 15 years ago. That's it. That's all I've done. Otherwise, I've done facials. That's it. And now with the Nowmi, I don't even need to go and get facials anymore because, you know what, here's the thing. There is a pandemic, so the last thing I want is to not be wearing a mask, have somebody over me that close to my face. That's just not going to happen. So with the Nowmi, you can have your professional spa-like facials at home. The Nowmi Pro Facial Treatment. This is what it looks like here. It's all boxed up. I'm excited when Nowmi, and it could be Nowmi, oh my gosh, Nowmi, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a collaboration with their Pro Facial Treatment. And so I did a little research and Googled and, was like, well, let me see what it entails. And then, as always, I said, because I always want to preface this, if it works, I will do a sponsored video. If it does not work for me, or I do not like it, or I don't find the value in it, it just won't be a sponsored video. So I am happy to say that I really do like this. I'm gonna start right off the bat because it's something different, and it just, we'll get into it. It's just something completely different for anti-aging, which I love. So this is how it'll come to you. Well, it'll come to you a lot nicer than I have it because I've been using it. Let's talk about the first part of this, which is the daily cleansing. And you are going to use the cleansing gel with the My Pro applicator, and you just put a little bit of cleansing gel right on the little silicone fingers, and then just turn it on, and then clean. You can go over your mouth, around your nose, all over your face. It only takes about 5 minutes, cleans so much better than you just using your hands. I mean, this is going at 6,000 pulses per second. And so it's really getting into all those pores, cleaning them out, and then infusing them with all the good stuff that's in the cleansing gel, which is the vitamin E, B3, B5, and the Dead Sea minerals. And so it just gives it this beautiful feel. I mean, your skin will feel super clean. Now, so that's the daily. Super easy, straightforward. What makes this special is this little part right here. The vitamin C effervescent tablets. They come packaged in its most purest form. You put the tablet inside the little circle here. You add a little bit of the lubricating gel to your face, and then a little bit of the lubricating gel onto the vitamin C. And the lubricating gel also has hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin E. And then again, turn it on, and then you're exfoliating. Your skin will turn red, mine turned red because you are exfoliating. And what happens is when the lubricating gel and the effervescent vitamin C tablet meet, it creates this oxygenation, which of course our skin loves oxygen, and it allows it to absorb all of those great ingredients in the lubricating gel. So you just go around your face, takes about 5 minutes, super easy. Rinse your face off, pat it dry, and your face will feel baby smooth. It really is quite amazing. I love adding this to my skincare regimen. I use vitamin C in a liquid format. This is even better. I will continue to use vitamin C on a daily basis, but as far as getting a at-home spa treatment, facial treatment, anti-aging treatment, right here. And it's gonna help with that hyperpigmentation, those sunspots we get. The hyaluronic acid in both products is gonna help plump the skin, create a beautiful glow. So this is excellent. It would make a beautiful gift. I will go into more detail with this particular product as I use it for longer periods of time. But if you're thinking about something, you're being like, oh, what do I want to try something new? This is it. Now let's talk about something that I've been using for years, which is a microcurrent device. Now, I just recently did the follow-up to the Foreo, which is the Bear, and then also the Nuface. Now, I'm going to show a picture here because Nuface has a new design out. I think it's called Icebreaker, or let me see, what is it called? Break the Ice. Break the Ice. Now, I have told you many, many times that this is the Trinity. I would recommend the Mini unless you're planning on switching out the heads, which I see no reason to do personally. So I love this, and Skin Store is going to have a really good deal on the new Break the Ice. It's going to come, I think, with the gel, and you will also be able to use my coupon code on top of what the discount's going to be for Black Friday. So that's super exciting. And then the other one, of course, that I would recommend and do is Foreo the Bear. It's a toss-up. Both are excellent. Both do the same thing. They create a microcurrent, which helps with lifting, building of collagen, and giving that more youthful look. So we lift the hooded eyes, we lift the jaw that starts to sag, the cheeks that start to sag. I'm a big proponent of both of these. So those are definitely part of my anti-aging tools that I would recommend giving as a gift. The other thing is Dermaflash. I've been using Dermaflash for over a year now. Again, obsessed with this. I have videos, by the way, on all of these products. So if you want to see more in-depth reviews of these products, just check out my playlist. This is a device that gets rid of all the peach fuzz, does an exfoliation. I always use this if I have special plans for the evening. I will do this, and then I will put the Line Smoothing Hydra Mask by Suited Beauty on. Wait about 30 minutes, and you will have a plump, gorgeous, beautiful skin. Because no matter what you're putting on your skin afterwards, once you exfoliate with this and really get rid of that peach fuzz and the dead skin, you wouldn't believe how much peach fuzz you have until you do it, and you're like, wow, that's a lot. So that is great. Now, some of the other tools that I'm going to put in the tool category, because they are tools, not necessarily anti-aging tools. T3. This is also, Skin Store is going to be doing a special on the T3 products, and you will also be able to combine my discount code. Love this. You can see I've switched the barrel for today, so I went with a smaller barrel. Curls beautifully, whether you want them tight or smooth. It does come with a matte that it sits on. You can carry it all, and then you just lay it on there, and it's a heated mat, meaning that it's heat-proof mat. So love that. It is by far my favorite, and there'll be some Black Friday specials with that as well. I consider it a tool, and I consider it an anti-aging tool because this is the Simple Human mirror. When I first bought this, and I've owned this 2 or 3 years now, that's how long it lasts. It is a USB charge to it. It raises up and down, and it is 10 times magnification, which you go, do I really want that? Yes, you do. A little bit of getting used to, but once I got used to it, I was like, oh, totally obsessed with this. I mean, it really does help. All right, guys, so these are the anti-aging tools that I use. I can't recommend other tools to you or other anti-aging devices that I have not personally used. I would not do that because I don't know if they would work or not. I will say that the 3 tools that I have shown you with regards to anti-aging, this is all you need, honestly. You have a device with the Nowmi that can give you a better cleanse on a daily basis, a pro facial spa weekly, allowing your skin to get the most purest form of vitamin C into your skin. Again, it's going to be like nothing you've tried. You have the microcurrent devices, perfect for the lifting, tightening, rebuilding of collagen. And then you have Dermaflash, which allows for the exfoliation and getting rid of all of that peach fuzz so that you have a nice, clean canvas to put all those serums on. You buy all this expensive stuff, serums, moisturizers, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, you buy these things, but you want to get them into your skin the best possible way. And with the Nowmi and the Dermaflash, which are 2 completely separate things, but create the perfect canvas for you to be able to get those ingredients into your skin. And a lot of these will be having some super deals for Black Friday. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.